One of the things that we're creating is a competition workflow for a client that is doing a giveaway in a couple of days' time. Right, so this is the actual workflow and how it works. So to start with, for this competition, they are going to need to take people from the physical world into the digital world. So what we need to do that, and one thing that Corona's taught us is QR codes are very, very good for doing this. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a QR code in their CRM that we've already set up for them. So it's all built in, it's really good. All these things are actually all built in, which is cool because everything happens in one place. We don't need to tie loads of software and loads of other stuff together. So what we'll do is we'll create this QR code, which is going to link to this form, and I'm going to come to that in a second. But first of all, after we've created the QR code, we need to turn this into a PDF so we can send to the client. They can print this off and have this on their booth, their stall, their stand, and have this sat there so people can actually scan it. And the way that we create this PDF, the old way would be for us to sit there designing the thing, getting all the text on. But what we do now is we always start using AI first. It helps speed up the process, and it can come up with some really good design ideas. So we're not starting from scratch. So what we tend to do is we will use AI to do this, and our tool of choice is usually Manus or Nano Banana. That's my little banana drawing, if you can see it. And then the next thing that we do is we create the actual form. So we create the form, and it'll got first name, last name, phone number, email address, all that sort of good stuff, and that will be linked to the QR code. So as soon as they scan this, they're going to get taken to this landing page that has the form on it. And then once they fill out the form, it's going to go into the CRM where we manage all the customers, clients, whatever you want to call them. And then inside the CRM, we have a nice new fancy workflow that we're going to create. And how the workflow works is it has a trigger at the start of this workflow that says anyone that fills in this form gets added into this workflow. And then inside the workflow, what we do is we add a tag to the person that's come through. This allows us to see the attribution. So then we can say, right, who has entered this competition, how many of those people eventually turned into customers over time. So that's really important because we can see how effective these things are if they're worth doing. So as soon as they come in, we'll tag them, and then we're going to send them an instant email and SMS, and this is going to be confirming the entry and welcoming them to the business. And then over the course of the next 3 to 10 days, we will send them another couple of follow-ups. Not salesy, have to hammer that point home, not salesy, it's just about the company, who they are, what they do, the values, the background, etc. Because we're trying to have a positive brand interaction for the first time with these people. We're not trying to sell them, and that's the mistake most people make. So that is the whole workflow. We're going to go away now and get that all built out. Hey guys, if you loved that video as much as I like creating it, do me a favour, give it a like and follow for more.